So sum of n terms for a finite arithmetic progression. A finite arithmetic progression will have terms like this: a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on. If you look at this logic, first term is a, second term is a plus 1d. First term, let's say a1 is a, then second term a2 is a plus 1d, third term a3 is a plus 2d. Likewise, the last term or the nth term will be a plus n minus 1d.
Okay.
Okay, so if we take the sum of these terms, then it will be a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on till a plus n minus 1d. Now there's a trick to get the formula, and that trick is you need to actually rewrite the same sum by reversing the order of digits.
Okay.
Reversing the order of digits means you can write the same sequence by just reversing the terms, order of terms. First term will be written over here, a plus n minus 1d. Then second term will be a plus n minus 2d. If the last term is a plus n minus 1d, then the second last term will be a plus n minus 2d, and so on. Okay, so like that it will go on till the last term, which is a. So this is a and this is a. What we have done, we have just reversed the order of terms and we have rewritten it. And then we will add them. So when we add them, it will be s plus s 2s. First term will be added with first term over here, so it will be a plus a 2a plus n minus 1d. Then a plus d will be added with a plus n minus 2d. Once again, you are going to get 2a plus n minus 1d. So likewise, if you look at the last term, over there also we are getting a plus 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so the conclusion is that every time when we are adding two terms, we are getting same 2a plus n minus 1d every time. Okay, now how many times we are going to get this? It will be total n times, because n terms from this, from the first one, n terms from the second. So like that, you can think that there will be two n terms, but then we are merging two terms and making them one term. These are the two terms being merged and it has become one term. So we will be left with n terms only. So this can be written as n times 2a plus n minus 1d, and that is equal to 2s. So finally the value of s will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This is how we do sum of n terms for an arithmetic progression.